2000 SL 500. Take a look at the back. They have the bows. Yep. Okay. Go around. All right. That didn't open all the way. I got a 2000 SL 500. It's in here. Could be adding this to the arsenal. Got them. This one's locked. Let's see. Oh, there. 152,000 miles. Oops. Clean interior. But this is the first one I'm looking at. This wood is sick. Yeah. This one's a clean one. Let's go look at that one. All right. This is a 98, 97 SL 500. That might be coming into the arsenal too. This one has 98. This only has 73,000 miles. So about half of the other one. Wood is clean. Interior is nice. Let me look at this picture. Seats are clean. Roofs are all working. Roofs are all working. This has a little rip here, but they all have the bows. They all have the Bose subwoofer and amp. That's good. Take a look at the outside of this one. Again, this is the 97. Let's take a look at this one. Engine's a little different. Boom. Again, this could be adding to my arsenal. This one's a little black. This one I might have to pass on. I don't know. It's got low mileage though. We'll see if the prices are right. If the price is right, anything is doable. This one's clean. You got the S across the street. Hi. Yeah. So we could be adding some convertibles to the arsenal here shortly, but both are SL 500s. This one's a 97, the other one's a 2000. Got a lot to think about on these. Yeah, I'll take them out for a spin eventually. Let me think on it and get the price. All right, bonus car for this. I'm still looking at this guy right here. This thing is clean, but bonus car is this 300E. This one, I forgot to even look at the year, but I want to say that, I'll take a look. But inline 6. The 300E inline 6. This one is 93. 173,000 miles. Wood's pretty clean. Buttons need a refresh. Headliner's sagging a little. It's pretty clean. Yeah, no rips on the interior at all. Very clean. Very clean. No rips. E 93. Oops, this is a bad way. I don't know, we'll see. Prices.
Exit right to exit 95, I-80 Business West, Sacramento to State Route 99 South. Continue straight for 8 minutes.
So this is floor number 3. Right here. This will be the game room slash my 2 boys' rooms. And got our patio out here, so we'll be barbecuing, doing all that other stuff. But for the most part, this is the game room where the my game systems will be going. Seeing how I want to set it up. More than likely, I will be doing the video game systems right here. Kind of break out into an L. Maybe some of my arcade one-ups around here somewhere, and then boys' sleeping area will be over here, and then their gaming systems and computer will be on this side. But we'll see how that goes when it comes out. We'll check it out. So yeah, but this is what we've been doing for the past couple of months. Going through the process of getting this house built. And yeah, that's why I haven't been uploading any new videos lately. But yeah, it's exciting. So we'll see. Let's see what's on the second floor. The house update coming along. Flooring's in, backsplash is in. It's just a time consumed. Bathroom's not set up. And the most important room in my house is gonna be here, is the garage. So I got some space finally for my cars, my tools, and whatnot. I had to get this floor painted eventually, and yeah. But that's it. Got me some nice lighting up top. Maybe get a little bit more lighting on this side of the garage. But yeah.